Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I hope everyone is doing well and staying sane while staying at home. So today we're going to be unboxing the Spring 2020 Popsugar Must-Have Box. The Popsugar Must-Have Box is a quarterly subscription and the cost usually is $75 a month. This is actually my third box, but this is my first time unboxing it in front of the camera just because the last few seasons timing has been off and it was just too late for me to film and upload a video. So this is the first time I'm doing it in front of the camera. I actually received 2 boxes before this and I decided to cancel my membership because I just didn't think the $75 was worth it. But this time around, I guess they were having trouble selling out their boxes, so they sent me an email asking if I wanted to try this box for $30 off. Regular price for this is $75. When after I got the discount, the total came to $48.66 after taxes, and I figured, let's try it, why not? Let me just do it one more time for the camera. I don't know if I'll keep the membership, but let's see. As far as I know, they don't usually give you a full spoiler of everything in the box. That's what I don't really like about it. My rule of thumb is that if I don't like at least half the items in the box, I don't think I will want to go forward with a box. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Happiness delivered, Popsugar. Ooh, these polka dots are very pretty. First thing that I'm seeing is this booklet here, and it's going to tell you everything about all the stuff that's inside. They do have several choice items in this box, and you don't have to be an annual subscriber to be able to choose. Okay, so I'm just going to do it. Ooh, okay, so this is the glasses. The first item are the book club glasses, and these are the options that you can choose from. By the time I signed up, I think one of the styles was already sold out, but so I went ahead and chose the one this lady is wearing here. These are blue light blocking glasses, I believe. I like the packaging. It's so like pretty. Good to wear in front of your computer screen, so if you're home working and looking at the screen, this is really good. I actually already have a pair of blue light blocking glasses from Warby Parker. I might just keep this one at the office if we ever go back to the office. So let's see how these look. Oh, not bad. Do I look smarter wearing these? I mean, they fit pretty well because they have these nose bridge things. Obviously, I have an Asian nose and it's a lot smaller than normal people's noses. So it's actually sitting on my nose, which is a good thing. I'm glad I got this. This is actually really comfortable. And it came with this like little pouch, carrying pouch. It doesn't have a case, but I guess it's something that you can just throw in and leave at your desk. Oh, I'm so excited I got this. I think it fits me pretty well, right? Nice. Okay, so they say that the retail price for these glasses range between $40 to $50 depending on the style you choose. And I'm very happy with these. What do I want to do next? Okay, let's do, this looks like skincare. So the next item is Omorovicza Budapest. So this is the Magic Moisture Mist. You'll feel totally rejuvenated by this liquid moisturizer that's powered by an innovative formula. It gives you weightless hydration that doesn't feel greasy or sticky. It's perfect for travel or to throw in your purse or use throughout the day. You can never be glowing too much. Whoa! Suggested retail price is $95 and you can get this on Nordstrom's. Shake well before use. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. You can see that there's a layer of like oil on the top. So I'm guessing the ingredients, it's just oil and water and a whole bunch of other oils, essential oils and stuff. This might be good for the summer, like if you're traveling or like outside somewhere. Hopefully by then we're able to go outside, and it's just like a face spray. It's not really something you use like after you wash your face. I guess you could, but this is more meant for a on the go kind of thing. And the bottle is made of glass, so that's really cool. So let's see. It's very lightweight, like extremely light, and it smells like lavender, I want to say. Oh, check out the inside of the box. All right, I'm gonna definitely use this. No, maybe just keep it on my desk. And it does smell, even though it's a little bit on the fragrancy side, it's like you can tell that the fragrance comes from natural things and not like artificial fragrance, if that makes sense. So that's nice. Okay, let's do the next item. Okay, so this I wasn't too sure about. This is a collection of crystals, and it comes in this like it comes in this like fake leather bag, vegan leather bag. The hardware on the bag is rose gold. Smudge Wellness Glow Spell. Reset, recharge, and reconnect. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This looks nothing like what's in here. Like, what? Look at that. I was expecting to get, this. Not like that. Crystals are believed to be helpful and beautiful tools in creating and reinforcing the intentions you want to set in your life. Each crystal is associated with a different healing or cleansing properties that can enable certain qualities. The brand's mission is to help people understand that spiritual wellness doesn't have to be overwhelming. It can be simple and fun. Okay, Interesting. Retail price is $50. I'm on the fence about how I feel about like crystal healing and all that. I mainly thought that I could just use these for photography, like if I wanted to photograph something, like a flat lay especially, I can use this as a backdrop, but these don't look very pretty. They don't look anything like the pictures in the pamphlet, so that's kind of disappointing. The star, so this is the glow spell, and it kind of explains what each crystal does. Oh, this is not a crystal. This is just a stand for this, I think. Okay, that's very weird. Yeah, I mean, these crystals definitely don't look anything like what the pamphlet says it should look like. They're not going to look very good photographed. I mean, this one looks like a jelly bean. So, I don't know, maybe I'll give this away to somebody. I'm disappointed in this one because, like, this is what you think you're getting and this is what you're actually getting. That's really misleading, but okay. The next item that I'm going to open, I think this is the necklace. So this, I believe, is also a choice item, and there were 2 different colorways that you can choose from. Oh, it's Brooklyn based. That's cool. So this is like a total statement necklace. If you don't like tassels and if you don't like chunky jewelry, this is probably not for you. I kind of like this style. I don't know, this might be too many strands. Like I would have been okay with 2 strands. But anywho, so this is the choice item. Other color was this blue. And I just figured that this tan color just will match with things a lot easily. So I chose the tan. The retail, suggested retail price for this is $75. 3-tier tasseled and beaded necklace is the perfect pop for any outfit. So this is about 20 inches long. Cute. Like if I just have a black t-shirt or something, or like a white t-shirt, this could pull off your outfit. I like it. I like statement necklaces. I don't have a lot of them. I don't wear a lot of necklaces, but I don't mind. There were people complaining about the style and they were like, dainty jewelry is in, not chunky necklaces. But I mean, I don't mind. It's not bad. Okay, this looks like another beauty item. So this is by Glow Recipe. And this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So it says, reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle, powerful eye sleeping mask formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. So you can either use it as a daytime eye treatment or a sleeping mask. I'm not going to open it, but I'll show you what it looks like because they have the picture here. So it looks like that. And the retail value for this is $42. All right, this is a big box. Ooh, I remember what this one is. Ooh, and it's heavy. I'm currently in the process of replacing some of our bowls and plates and stuff because the ones that we have are from IKEA and some of them are scratched up and just, they need to be replaced. And these look like they could replace some of them. Let's see. So Canvas Home Shell Bisque cereal bowl set of 4. And this is what they look like. Retail price for this is $66. So there's a set of 4 bowls, handmade by Canvas Home. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Handle with care. Ooh, how nice. So the top part and the inside of the bowl is glazed, and there's like a layer down here that's not really covered with paint or anything. Ooh, this is very pretty. And I think they all come in different colors. So let's take a look. So that one was kind of like a cream color. This one is a blush color. Can you see the difference? The next one is blue. Very nice. I like this one. And the last one is also blue, but a different type of blue. So I guess the other one's more turquoise. Okay, so this is more of a like a periwinkle blue, I guess. And this is the other one. Definitely gonna use these. Very happy about these bowls. They give you like a recipe for a smoothie bowl on the back. That's kind of cool. Okay, so there's more. Let's see what the extra samples are. And like at the bottom of the box, you'll see that there's open for more fun. P.S. There's more. It looks like we got a box of tea, Blackberry apple cider, digestive awakening with apple cider vinegar to support health, digestion, and caffeine-free herbal supplement. So there are 16 tea bags in here, and they expire in 2022. And then what are these? Oh, disinfecting wipes. Okay, that's perfect. They're by Clorox and bleach-free, Pacific Breeze and coconut scented, Tahitian grapefruit splash, and Tuscan lavender and jasmine. Well, these certainly are going to come in handy. I'll just probably pop these in my purse when I'm going out to the grocery store. Okay, and I think they have a coupon here. Save $1. Cool. Okay, so that was everything in the box. Let me do a quick recap before we close out this video. We got a set of 4 porcelain bowls. We got this crystal set. We have this avocado melt retinol sleeping mask or sleeping eye cream. And we got this tassel necklace. We have a facial spray. And then we have these reading glasses or blue light blocking glasses, which you can choose your style. So those were the 6 items that came with the box. And then we got some freebies. We got a box of tea and some hand sanitizing or sanitizing wipes. Okay, so that was everything that came in the spring 2020 Popsugar must-have box. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. If you have any other boxes that you would like to see unboxed, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!